Here I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be just like your home screen, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. So one last time: power key plus volume down, and screenshot will be taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can favorite, edit, share, delete your screenshots and perform some other actions with them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.